Here I've got Huawei Nova Young, and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select advanced settings, and here you should pick security. Now under device administration you will find unknown sources, so if you truly want to allow installation of non-official apps, just click on this tab. And now confirm that you are taking all the risks on you, click on OK to activate it, and that would be all. So from now on you are able to download some applications and install them from some unknown apps, and then if you would like to switch off this function, if you would like to protect your phone, then just click on the same switcher one more time to deactivate unknown sources. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate unknown sources in your Huawei. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.